They don't really eat a whole lot of pasta in Valle d'Aosta, but when they do, it is spectacularly unique. Like this Fettuccine di Castagne, con Verze e Costine. Chestnut fettuccine with sweet pork and earthy cabbage. And to get things going, I've got these gorgeous little pork ribs, all fried off. And let me tell you, in Italy, you can hardly have a meal at a table without having something with pork. In the same pan, using up that good old oil and those sticky bits on the bottom, we'll throw in our flavoring aromatics, celery, carrots, and onion. A little white wine, just to wash up all the sticky bits from the bottom of the pan. And I want it to reduce. Now the ribs can go back in. All that flavor is going to come together and be the foundation. A little vegetable broth, just to barely cover. So these ribs come up to a gentle simmer. The lid goes on. That's going to give me time to get on with the pasta. This is chestnut flour, has a slightly coarse texture and is darker in color. And I have to mix this with regular flour, otherwise my pasta will be far too dense. My pasta dough has had a chance to rest and relax, and I've set up my pasta rolling machine because this little thing is going to come in very handy. It's going to take the heavy lifting out of rolling a lovely fettuccine for me. And the trick here is simple. As little amount of flour as you can, because things slip around, and the fun can begin. Now for the ribs. So what's gone on in this pot is these ribs have gently simmered and stewed. And this is going to fall off the bone. I just need to pick my way through all of this and have a little taste. That is really good. A little grated cheese. And in Valle d'Aosta, it's grana padano for them. It's time for this pasta to meet its maker. Those noodles, they have a little density to them, but they are still soft and tender, with a nutty edge from that chestnut flour. And the cabbage and pork have a sweet element that works so well together. But the sauce, it has a richness to it, but it's not overbearing. It really is rustic elegance.